Taro's feelings. Taro loved his parents deeply. He felt sad for them. He wanted to help them. He worked very hard daily. He was thirsty and tired. He felt surprised by the waterfall. He was happy about the sake. He felt scared of the villagers. He was excited to meet the king. He felt proud of his reward. His father's feelings. His father felt very cold. He wished for warm sake. He was surprised by the sake. He felt warm and happy. He danced with great joy. He thanked Taro for the drink. He felt proud of his son. He shared sake with neighbors. He was confused by the water. He felt honored by the king. The neighboring woman's feelings. She was curious about Taro. She felt excited to taste. She enjoyed drinking the sake. She was surprised by the story. She spread the news quickly. She rushed to the waterfall. She expected to get sake. She felt angry finding only water. She blamed Taro for tricking them. She left feeling very disappointed. The king's feelings. The king heard Taro's story. He felt impressed by Taro. He admired Taro's kindness. He wanted to reward Taro. He gave Taro gold coins. He named a fountain after Taro. He wanted children to obey parents. He felt happy about Taro's respect. He encouraged kindness and obedience. He was proud of Taro. Taro's feelings, first person. I love my parents deeply. I feel sad for them. I want to help them. I work very hard daily. I am thirsty and tired. I feel surprised by the waterfall. I am happy about the sake. I feel scared of villagers. I am excited to meet the king. I feel proud of my reward. His father's feelings, first person. I feel very cold today. I wish for warm sake. I am surprised by the sake. I feel warm and happy. I dance with great joy. I thank Taro for this. I feel proud of my son. I share sake with neighbors. I feel honored by the king. I love my son, Taro, very much. The neighboring woman's feelings, first person. I am curious about Taro. I feel excited to taste. I enjoy drinking sake. I am surprised by the story. I spread the news quickly. I rush to the waterfall. I expect to get sake. I feel angry finding only water. I blame Taro for tricking me. I leave feeling very disappointed. The king's feelings, first person. I hear Taro's great story. I feel impressed by him. I admire Taro's kindness. I want to reward him. I give Taro gold coins. I named a fountain after him. I want children to obey their parents. I feel happy about his respect. I encourage kindness and obedience. I am proud of Taro. KNR